not 7. It's not 7.
It's not 7.
It's 6:58.
6:57.
6:57 is better.
No, it's not. And we wake up, and we're waiting until 7 o'clock. And it's a monster.
Nathan, look, your sister's up. It went to an 8.
It's 7 o'clock. It's midday. It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Let's destroy the beast.
I see Daddy Shower.
Get him.
I want to see Daddy Shower.
I think I need a hot toddy for breakfast.
I almost got Bloody Marys yesterday.
You almost what?
I almost got Bloody Mary mix.
Oh, you should have.
I know.
Lord, that would have been great.
It was mine.
It's gone.
What? I can't even see.
Wow.
That's deep.
It's not over yet.
Can we get deeper?
Yep.
Yay!
I want to go outside.
Oh, sweetie, we can't go outside just yet because it's blizzard conditions.
I'll tell you how
Dad,
cold.
Daddy have to mow first.
To mow?
Yeah.
To snowblow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we can play and go outside.
We may have to wait a little while.
Outside, alright?
Okay, so remember how my husband in a former vlog was using a barrel to make whiskey? Bourbon? What are you making?
Bourbon.
Bourbon. What's the difference? Huh, anyway.
We'll
So,
get into that later.
okay. So as you can see, it's blizzarding. So we are stuck here. So he has the one that he's leaving for a year, but he has one that was what? It's been like a little over a month now?
32 days.
32 days. So he puts them in a little solo cup, keeping it classy, and I'm gonna taste it. It doesn't smell too bad. Cause really, what else are you doing on a snow day?
So Dad.
Okay, I don't like bourbon, but it's not terrible. Like I'm not gonna sit down and have a glass of
It's
it.
smooth. It's smoother than what you can find.
It's smooth. P.S. I'm wearing a sweatshirt and pajama pants. I took a shower and put pajamas back on, just for the record. Yeah, it's not terrible, but I don't love bourbon, so I'm not gonna sit down and like have a glass of it. Also, I feel as though my lungs are on fire currently.
It's gonna warm me when I go outside. Then.
Well, that's true, but you cannot snowblow while drinking. I feel like that is not a safe practice. No?
Keep me warm.
No, no. All right, more snow day updates coming. Here we go. Preparing to go outside into the blizzard to make a first pass of the snowblower so that we're not dealing with 2 feet. And by we, I clearly don't mean me. I mean the man in the suit.
I'll see you in the snow.
Good luck is right.
I'll see you in the snow. I'll see you in the snow, Dada. Good luck.
Can you unlock the bottom for Daddy?
Yeah. And I'll do the top too.
Okay, and then stand back, baby. No, 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 don't open it. Out
Okay,
into the blizzard. He goes. Ah. Jeez. Bye, honey. Good luck.
Snow in here.
There is snow in here.
Can I see something?
Oh, dear.
Awesome! It's snowing in the house.
You're gonna hold on to that, right? So you wanna hold on to this,
Okay. Okay, Dada.
and then you put it in, so it stays so your foot stays dry, and then that's
No, I can do that.
okay. And then you're gonna
Wrap it up.
okay, and then you're gonna zip it down. Okay, so once you do that, you zip it down. Okay. There you go. Do the same thing with your other foot.
Getting ready to go play in the snow generally takes longer than actually playing in the snow.
Oh, yeah. Give me my
You got the
pen
lumberjack over
and
here.
action.
Yeah, that's gonna happen, love.
This is
Be
fun.
careful.
My feet sinking.
This is a lot of snow.
Ah!
You're on top of it.
It's quicksand.
It's snow. Well, guys, we had our first snow, and now we have our first humongous snow. Ava, you okay? Ava? Yeah? You sure? I know. What are you doing, Nathan? You're gonna slide? Oh boy. When you have solar panels and over a foot of snow, this is what has to happen. Solar panels good, solar panels and snow not so good. Are you coming, Ava?
No.
No.
I'm stuck in snow.
Can you
Stuck
put my
in
hat
snow.
up a little? Yay!
It's so cold. Aren't you guys cold?
No.
No.
Oh.
Because children don't feel the cold. I am cold. I am freezing cold. Brr. What's the matter?
I'm stuck. I'm sinking in the snow.
You're sinking in the snow. Don't you throw that at her face. Don't do it.
How's that?
I know. I can't get out. I need help. This is not funny.
Try now.
My boots are gonna get stuck.
Try now.
This is not funny.
This is funny.
This is not funny.
All right, I think we should leave mommy here.
I need help.
Say bye, mommy.
Don't wait. I'm saving you.
Not on my face.
That's what you get. This is getting
A snowman.
I know.
That's what's your carrot.
Bridget's carrot. That was super nice of her.
And they put the stick eyes on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Careful. Don't mess it up.
I don't want the snowman anymore.
Why not? I thought you were gonna make a snow angel.
After this snowman get
What
away.
are you doing?
I'm running.
Oh, Nathan.
What are you doing? Hello. And we have a snow day today. We
Yay.
thought it would be nice if we gave you your birthday presents a day early.
Yeah.
Do you want your presents today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come
Are you
on.
sure? Wait for Daddy. Is Daddy ready? Okay.
Come on, follow the birthday present. And look what you got behind it.
Hey, just wait.
Just showing it. Just showing.
Nathan, come over here.
I'm so happy.
Aww. You want help?
Nathan, stop.
I think I got it. Okay. Ava, what is it?
Here, ready?
Go!
Oh.
What'd you get?
Wait,
Push your birthday.
Really different.
You have to push it up from underneath. You have to hold the handle and
Push it up.
push.
Now me and
Look,
Ava gonna,
it's a princess one.
me and Ava gonna rain. It's raining for me and Ava now. I'm gonna get my umbrella.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
All right.
A stream in the pond.
All right, Ava, look what else.
What else do you have,
What else do
honey?
you have?
It's raining, Ava.
This is for you, Miss Ava. Who's that?
Stop.
Yeah. Open the doors. Look what Mommy put in the bottom.
Look at the bottom.
What?
The dog stuff?
Your dog stuff. Now you can keep it all in there. And those are stickers.
Sticker?
Nathan, honey, you want to stop walking right in front of me?
Ava, don't pull them all out, Mama.
Don't pull them all out. And then look on the side, sweetie.
Huh?
Ava,
Ava,
look
look
over
on the
here.
side. There's one more thing for
There's
you.
one more. Look. What is it?
A dress.
Do you know what it's for?
What's on it?
What's on it?
Balls.
Mm-hmm. So what do you think it does?
Is it a place to hang your bows?
Yes.
A ballerina one. For our little ballerina.
Do you like that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Happy
All right.
birthday,
Happy
sweet
birthday.
girl. What did you
Hi.
say?
Thank you. Can I put these all?
Yeah, don't use all of them up because that's it, sweetie. That's all it comes with. It's like it's Band-Aids for when you're playing with your stuff. I put one Band-Aid on Lammy inside. Look at Lammy's leg inside.
Wait,
See? Oh, is it coming off?
Yes.
All right, sweetie. I love you. Mommy, Daddy, and Nathan love you.
yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Miss Ava turned 4 on Tuesday. So today she gets to pick her birthday lunch. We are in the car on the way to, guess where? Ava, where did you pick?
Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake Factory, right? For your birthday lunch. My children love the Cheesecake Factory. It's really the banana cream cheesecake that they love more than anything. We're on our way.
We're at Cheesecake Factory
There you go, man.
Why? Why are we here?
because it's my birthday lunch.
It's your birthday lunch.
That was my birthday.
How old are you?
4.
You are 4. What are you gonna have for lunch? What did you order? What are you gonna eat?
Vanilla cake.
Later. Is that
Vanilla
silly?
Cheesecake.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from the Cheese Man. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Birthday, Louis.
Hey. Yay!
Thanks for watching. Have a great week.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.